who are mostly the literacy rate is not quite high. When they are having to manage large sums of money, this becomes very relevant. And also, many of them are into managing of small enterprises. They are trying to put this money into productive use. So considering this, all these financial literacy, the relevance of financial literacy, ESAF as an organization decided to include this component under its various other development initiatives. So ESAF is an NGO-MFI which was established in '92, and it started micro-lending in '95. And it approaches the development perspective in an integrated way. That means it not only provides financial microcredit, but it also facilitates entrepreneurial services in terms of product development, marketing, and business development services. Besides that, capacity building, educational support in terms of scholarships for the client's children, healthcare, advocacy and networking, and environmental aspects related to natural resource management and disaster mitigation program. Our geographical presence in India consists of 9 states. And the financial services, just a snapshot view to help you know about ESAF more. We have 138 branches as of August 2010, and the total members are 369,000, and total borrowers 279. Total disbursement in million is $189 million, and portfolio outstanding as of today is $48 million. So how do we delve into the aspects of clients' needs? More so, we do it through the ESAF SHG Federation Trust. It's a trust established in 2008, where the members are grouped under a federation, where there is equal and democratic participation. And the vision of such a federation is to build self-help communities of love, concern, and solidarity. And this is the platform that is used for information sharing, training, awareness, or any education programs for the members of this microfinance institution. So currently we have 3 state-level SHG federations in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra, which is southern and central India. The structure of the SHG federation is, we have the members in the at the base. They are formed into groups, the joint liability groups, because we have a JLG plus an SHG model. And then they form the Sangams, which are the self-help groups, which are formed under cluster. A cluster consists of 50 to 60 Sangams. And the cluster comes under the branch advisory committee, the BAC. The branch advisory committee has the branch manager, the cluster leaders, and a special invitee from the local general body, a local government body. The representative general body, which has the managing director plus a special invitee, and the representatives from the branch advisory committee, and the federations at the top, the Apex Federation, which controls or coordinates the entire functioning of the federation. Who are the clients that we are working with? They are mostly 99% women, and 85% of our clients are from rural areas. What are the objectives of this federation as a whole? It is to facilitate linkage between SHGs, banks, government agencies. We have different action research projects also happening simultaneously to understand what are the needs and how we can address these needs. And based on these findings only, we would be getting into the expansion phase. To have better access to development information, marketing linkages. Most of these members do enterprises because of so they will require some entrepreneurial support in terms of marketing and training. To resolve any conflicts that may arise within member SHGs, to assist in strengthening the performance, insurance, life and loan insurance services, and to help them have a platform where they can share their political and social concerns. The benefits of being a federation member is, it is completely owned by the cluster members. There is democratic and equal participation. They also try to ensure, the cluster leaders with the support from the members, try to ensure that loan disbursement is done without delay. There is systematic investment plans opportunities in different investments. There's an ownership in the ESAF microfinance company, and also leadership opportunities, because the leadership changes from year to year. Major activities are leadership training programs, counseling on social concerns, BDS, capacity building programs. There's a blood donation forum which has been formed recently, International Day celebrations. non-formal education, and financial literacy. The welfare schemes include mitigation allowance, where the Sangha member gets an amount on the death of her spouse, and loan wipeout. If a member dies, a loan is wiped out. Emergency loan in case of any sudden need for financial assistance. What have we envisaged from financial literacy program? What do we aim to achieve through this financial literacy program? It's towards efficient financial management within households, bookkeeping, accounting, smart savings, in the sense that we're just trying to help them initiate the process of savings within their household, facilitate bank linkage, accessing government schemes, education on services and products. Who are the type of clients that ESAF addresses? They are both entrepreneurial and non-entrepreneurial. Entrepreneurial clients require more training on business planning, how to technical assistance, plus how much, if they say that they require 10,000 rupees, what is that 10,000 rupees meant for? We would try to help them analyze what is the amount that they require for, and to put that into proper productive use, managing accounts. Non-entrepreneurial is mostly family budget, need assessment on what are the basic needs and wants that a household may have, income versus expenditure. And most of our entrepreneurial clients and the client profile is engaged mostly in animal husbandry, trading, and agriculture. What are the components of financial literacy? And this initial financial literacy program has been initiated earlier this year as under the SHG Federation Trust. So the main components under this program is clarity of financial concepts. You introduce this concept to them slowly, you just don't impose on them, you help them realize why are we coming to this topic of financial literacy, give them a proper orientation on savings, managing expenses, making better financial decisions. Business financing decisions, it is mostly not only for the female member or the client members, it's mostly family household planning that we are trying to address. Take right decisions on how much debt one should take. It is because there are lots of microfinance institutions out there who are ready to, and previously, few years back, our members were never ready to accept that they are taking loans from other institutions. But now times have changed. They accept that they take loans from 5 to 6 institutions. They are member of different microfinance institutions. So we just help them to understand it, and it is very critical at this point because otherwise we will not be able to address the over-indebtedness issue at a future point. Accessing financial products and services. Mostly it is through small pilot projects that we are trying to see which are the government schemes that they can avail. Building assets, savings concept, overcoming vulnerability. There are examples in some cases where women suddenly has to face the death of her husband and she is left alone with a child. And for a few days, the church or the local, some people might give her refuge. But after that, what next? What is she supposed to do next? So that is a time when it becomes, the vulnerability issue comes into existence. Planning towards economic security and counseling to help women fight social concerns. Since it is a very new concept that we are trying to address, and it has been few months since 2010 early, but the representation, the MPhil board has been since 2 years. There are now some leaders standing as candidates in the local government elections. There is a facility of savings within the SHG Federation. There is more emphasis on children's higher education. More number of clients have initiated new business activities because even if they have wanted to do that earlier, they were a little bit apprehensive. Increase in number of members taking insurance. Clients have started diversified investments, and 25% of clients have started bank accounts. 60% are engaged under the NREP program of the government, the National Rural Employment Program. So here's just one example that I would like to present to you. Najiba is a member of ESAF. She had joined in 2004. She was she was not aware, she wanted to do something but was not aware what to do or how to do. She started the activity of making ornamental accessories for elephants, cars, wall hangings, handicraft item. Currently, she has so many orders that she has employed 125 trained workers, and she's the sole proprietor of this product in her area. Now she has registered her